Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, we'll be comparing Zendrop versus Usadrop to find out which dropshipping platform is best for you. So we'll kick things off with Usadrop. Starting a dropshipping or an e-commerce business can definitely be a good way to make some money online. But before getting started, you need to find a reliable platform that you can not only source products on quite easily, but you can also integrate with the dropshipping platform that you're using. For example, whether you're using Shopify or you're using Equin, you need to find a store that can be easily integrated. And you also want to find a platform that offers reliable and quick delivery time. For example, you can see with Usadrop from China, their average delivery time is between 6 to 13 days for the United States, and for the rest of countries it would be on average 7 to 13 days. And from global warehouses, it is normally 2 to 5 days. And they also offer numerous products that you'll get access to. In fact, they have a wide variety of over 500,000 products. And they do offer a free sign-up process. So all you will need to do is tap on apply here, or you can tap on login in the top right-hand corner. And from there, you can sign up using your email address, and then you'll simply create a password. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to this page. For example, if you are using Shopify, and you will simply add the app. Once you have added the app, you will be redirected to their dashboard. And if in the future you want to go onto their paid, and if in the future you would like to get access to their paid plan, you can see that their paid plan starts at $29.99 per month, and it goes up to $45.99 per month. And after you have signed up to Usadrop, you will be redirected to this dashboard. So this is how your dashboard will look, and you can go over to the top left hand corner, tap on my store. You can see that I've connected a Shopify store. You can connect more than one Shopify store, or you can add other stores that are not Shopify, for example, Equin or so on. You can also source products directly. So all you'll need to do is tap on sourcing. Then from there, you could add a product from AliExpress, and you could cut out the middleman and talk directly to a sales agent so that you could get a better price. And to access Zendrop recommended price or recommended products, better yet, all you have to do is tap on winners, and then you can see the different winners that they recommend right here. So you can see the winners for this week, and to access that you will need to go onto their paid plan. But to add a product to your Shopify store, it is quite easy. All you have to do is tap on products. Once you have tapped on products, you can select any one of these categories. So let's say, for example, electronics. After you have tapped on electronics, you can search for a specific product. Let's say I would like to add this product. All you have to do is tap on view details. Once you have tapped on view details, you'll simply scroll down and you can read more about the product. Then all you have to do is tap on import product. Once you have tapped on import product, you can change the description if you want. You can edit the variants if you want. You can also edit the images. Once everything is to your liking, all you need to do now is tap on import to store. Then select the store. Then you're going to tap on confirm. And after you have tapped on confirm and give it a few seconds, the product will be added to your Shopify store or your dropshipping store. Now let me show you how to use Zendrop. Zendrop is one of the most popular dropshipping apps, and after watching this review you will realize why. Zendrop, as you can see right here, is the #1 high margin dropshipping app, and it offers reliable delivery, and it offers you the option to get access to over 500,000 US products, and their shipping time in the US goes from 5 to 8 days. They offer fast shipping, so you can start dropshipping in 30 seconds with over 1 million products. One of the advantages of Zendrop compared to Usadrop is it gives you access to more products, as Zendrop has access of over 1 million products. Meanwhile, Usadrop offers 500,000 products roughly, and it also allows you to automate dropshipping, and it gives you real-time analytics. And again, you can sign up on Zendrop for completely free. All you'll need to do is tap on create your free account. Once you have signed up to Zendrop, you will be redirected to this dashboard, and from here it is quite easy again to add products to your store. Then from Zendrop to your store, all you'll need to do is tap on find products from the left hand menu option. Then from there you can type in the type of products that you would like to add. So let's say for example bracelets. After you have typed in bracelets, you can decide where you would like it to ship from. Whether you like it to ship from the US, ship from China, you can select that. Then all you'll need to do now is tap on enter. So let's say I would like it to ship from US, so I will tap on ship from US. Then I'll simply tap on enter. So let me tap on enter real quick and see if they have any bracelets in the United States. So just give it a few seconds to load up. As you can see, it's currently searching, and unfortunately they don't have any. So all I would need to do is tap right there, then I'll tap on ship from anywhere, and you can see the different bracelets right here. Once you have found a bracelet that you like, all you have to do is tap on the image. Once you have tapped on the image, you can simply scroll down and you can see the different variants and prices. And all you have to do now is simply tap on add to import list. Once you have tapped on add to import list, you are going to go over to the left hand menu option again, and you are going to tap on my products. Once you have tapped on my products, you are going to see the product that you have added, and all you'll need to do is tap on review and publish. Then from there you can quickly review the descriptions, the variants, and the images. And once everything is to your liking, you are going to tap on publish to my store. Once you have tapped on publish to my store, it will automatically be pushed to your Shopify or your e-commerce store. And you can also monitor your sales from this platform. By simply tapping on dashboard, you will be able to monitor your sales, as you can see right here, and you can also monitor your delivery. Majority of the extras that Zendrop offers, you will need to be on their paid plan. For example, if you want to offer bundles unboxing, you can see right here you will need to upgrade, but they do also offer a 7-day free trial. And to access their AliExpress import, you'll also need to be on their paid plan. To access the trendy products, you'll need to be on their paid plan. So both platforms offer trendy products that will show some of their top selling products, but on both platforms you'll need to go onto their paid plan. So let's find out the cost for Zendrop's paid plan. If I were to tap on upgrade, you can see that their paid plan starts off at $49, and it does not give me access to all of these features right here. But to get all access, I would need to pay $79. So $79 for the main plan on Zendrop. Meanwhile, with Usadrop, their main plan is $45.90. So Usadrop is more affordable than Zendrop. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.